Hello everyone, today we're going to look at the 5 best drone for wildlife photography on the market for this year. First, we'll show you our top options, and then we'll discuss what to consider while purchasing a best drone for wildlife photography. All of the products we mention in this video have timestamps and links in the description below. Let's get started. List number 5. DJI Air 2S. Embraced by the wildlife photography community, the DJI Air 2S stands tall as another favorite option, celebrated for its streamlined build, formidable camera capabilities, and exceptional flight prowess. Elegantly housing a 1-inch CMOS sensor, this drone artfully captures 20-megapixel photographs and enigmatic 5.4K video resolutions. Bolstering its appeal is a 4x lossless zoom, empowering photographers to approach their subjects without inciting any disturbance. Boasting an impressive flight duration of up to 31 minutes and fortified by cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, the Air 2S guarantees flights marked by safety and undisturbed footage. The drone's repertoire is further enriched by a gamut of intelligent flight modes, including the likes of active track and point of interest, designed to guide users in the pursuit of alluring wildlife imagery. The DJI Air 2S empowers photographers to capture dynamic moments with its range of intelligent flight modes. Active Track 4.0 allows the drone to automatically follow subjects, preserving their movements and behaviors with precision. The DJI Air 2S drone transcends being a mere tool, it's a partner in artistic expression and exploration. With its exceptional camera capabilities, advanced flight modes, and dedication to safety, the Air 2S empowers photographers to capture nature's symphony in ways that were once unimaginable. List number 2. DJI Mavic 3. Unveiling a world of adaptability within its compact form, the DJI Mavic 3 stands as a testament to unparalleled capability. Anchored by a dual camera system, its primary 20-megapixel Hasselblad sensor becomes the conduit for breathtaking stills and remarkable 5.1K video resolution, an ideal embodiment of wildlife photography's essence. Complementing this, the secondary camera houses a telephoto lens endowed with a 28x hybrid zoom prowess, gifting enthusiasts the power to seize astonishing portraits of subjects without intruding upon their realm. Spanning an impressive flight duration of up to 46 minutes, the Mavic 3 embraces omnidirectional obstacle avoidance as a safeguard, ushering in secure and dependable flights even within the confines of the most challenging environments. As an embodiment of intelligent design, this drone introduces an array of savvy flight modes, empowering users to effortlessly encapsulate dynamic moments in their entirety. In the grand tapestry of wildlife photography, the DJI Mavic 3 drone emerges as a brushstroke that paints with innovation, precision, and artistry. Its capabilities expand the horizons of what's achievable, inviting photographers to push boundaries and challenge conventions. With its dual camera system, extended flight time, obstacle avoidance technology, and intelligent flight modes, the DJI Mavic 3 drone is not just a tool, it's a partner in the pursuit of capturing nature's most intimate moments. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 3 drone is a testament to the symbiosis of technology and art. It allows us to unveil nature's secrets from above while reminding us of the delicate balance we must maintain between exploration and conservation. List number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. Elevate your aerial photography expertise with the DJI Mavic Air 2, an ideal step toward reaching new heights. Flaunting a remarkable flight duration of up to 34 minutes, this drone provides ample time to encapsulate awe-inspiring snapshots. With the added advantage of 3-way obstacle sensing, even novices find navigating the skies effortless and secure. Bolstered by a potent camera and an array of intelligent shooting modes, seizing breathtaking outcomes becomes a seamless endeavor. Be it an extraordinary vacation snapshot or an endeavor to propel your enterprise to unprecedented altitudes, this drone encompasses all the requisites to fulfill your aspirations. The Mavic Air 2 transcends conventional photography with its innovative shooting modes. Smart Photo optimizes the drone settings in real time, allowing photographers to focus on composition while the technology fine-tunes parameters like exposure and scene recognition. HDR imaging brings dynamic range to life, capturing scenes with rich contrast and stunning depth. While drones elevate our capacity to explore and document the wild, it's essential to tread carefully and responsibly. Ethical considerations are paramount. The drone's flight should never compromise the safety or well-being of the wildlife it captures. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic Air 2 drone is a testament to the fusion of technology and art. It's an instrument that empowers photographers to embrace their role as storytellers, capturing moments that transport viewers to the heart of the wild. List number 4. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. In search of an all-encompassing drone that embodies excellence? The newly introduced DJI Mavic 2 Pro stands as the ultimate choice for individuals yearning to capture the essence of awe-inspiring aerial vistas. Boasting a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor, this drone promises to infuse your visuals with a kaleidoscope of vivid colors and intricate details that jump off the screen. Coupled with an impressive flight endurance of 31 minutes and a maximum velocity of 44 miles per hour, it grants you extended airtime to seize those impeccable moments. Amplifying its allure is the inclusion of 8GB internal storage, supplemented by the option to expand up to 128GB via an SD card and expansive canvas to safeguard your photographic and cinematic treasures. This drone's prowess is underscored by an array of features, including Active Track 2.0 for dynamic subject tracking, omnidirectional obstacle sensing to navigate safely, and the captivating world of hyperlapses to craft time-distorted visual narratives. At the heart of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro lies its camera system, a testament to the merging of innovation and precision. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor co-engineered with Hasselblad, the drone captures stills at a staggering 20 megapixels. Wildlife photography often demands a delicate balance between closeness and respect for the subjects. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro understands this dynamic perfectly. This capability lends photographers the freedom to explore various angles and perspectives, resulting in shots that offer unprecedented intimacy with the wildlife. List number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Experience an entirely new dimension of dynamic perspectives with the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, a groundbreaking leap in the realm of advanced camera systems. This robust drone boasts a 12MP 1/2.3-inch sensor, unleashing a realm of possibilities with its up to 4x zoom capabilities, including an impressive 2x optical zoom spanning from 24 to 48mm. Bolstered by a 3-axis gimbal, it guarantees unwavering stability for your shots. Moreover, delve into the realm of breathtaking HDR photos and captivating hyperlapses. Cruising at a maximum speed of 44 miles per hour and endowed with 8GB of internal storage, this drone becomes the quintessential companion for those who yearn to seize top-tier footage while on the move. The allure of its exceptional zoom lens lies in its ability to bring your subjects into intimate focus, revealing intricate nuances that remain concealed to the ordinary lens. Pair this with its robust stabilization mechanism that ensures a seamless, unwavering capture even amidst blustery winds. Whether your pursuit involves crafting a nature documentary or immortalizing unforgettable vacation vistas, this drone emerges as the ultimate instrument for the task. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is more than just a drone, it's a symphony of technology and artistry that harmonizes to empower photographers to explore, document, and share the beauty of the natural world. From its innovative camera system and zoom capabilities to its stabilizing features and creative shooting modes, this drone has earned its place as an essential companion for those who seek to capture the essence of wilderness in its purest form. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone has redefined the landscape of wildlife photography. It's not just a tool, it's an invitation to venture into uncharted territories, to witness the raw splendor of nature, and to craft visual stories that resonate with audiences far and wide. As technology continues to evolve, this drone reminds us that there's still magic to be found in the untamed corners of our world. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.